even in the first episode, I was like, I think it's the son. It keeps you confused. Like,
Is he in it?
he is the main guy
What main
who
guy?
like takes. Oh my god! I'm such a Pankaj Tripathi fan, man. He's just so cute. You don't think he acts well? Hi, this is Avanti,
Hi, this is Priyanka.
and welcome back to Over Coffee or Wine.
So, what have you watched of late?
The most recent show that I have watched is Criminal Justice. This is the 4th season of Criminal Justice that has come out with Pankaj Tripathi. It's become such a cliche, but I'm such a Pankaj Tripathi fan, man. He's just so cute. His acting in it is so good. You don't think he acts well?
I like him. Context, I watched one season of the Criminal Justice.
Oh, Criminal Justice.
But this has nothing to do with in general, Pankaj Tripathi, and a lot of people have mentioned this online also, that he is becoming the same in everything he
Yes.
does, which is annoying after a while.
Initially, he was doing all roles where he's a bad guy. He is in Agnipath. He was there with Hrithik Roshan.
Oh.
Like, he's the guy who Hrithik Roshan kills in that Ganpati song.
I had no idea about this.
Yeah,
I've
yes.
not seen any of his work where he is a bad guy, by the way.
Oh my god, Gangs of Wasipur, he's a bad guy. Like, he's
You
in
think I have
Gangs of...
watched?
Mirzapur. Okay, so that's what the people who say that probably haven't watched some of these other things of his, because Mirzapur, he has acted so well. And have you watched Mirzapur? No, of course not. But he is so good in Mirzapur because he is this very serious bad guy. I tend to agree that of late, all of his roles are that where his character is similar in terms of he's this really nice human being, very hard to stretch yourself if the character is so similar. So, for example, like in Mimi, he's like that with Kriti Sanon.
I watched the movie. Who is he in it?
He is the main guy
What main
who
guy?
like takes... Oh my god! He's the guy who says that it's my bacha.
Oh, I have not watched Mimi. Sorry.
Which one were you thinking of?
Where she paragliding.
The one where she's a duplicate.
Yeah, duplicate.
No, not that one. He's not in that. Mimi, where it's about surrogacy, which is a great movie. In Criminal Justice, he's a lawyer and he's a defense lawyer. So there are 4 seasons of Criminal Justice. The main actors in the first season are Vikrant Massey and Jackie Shroff. So this latest one that was released, it's about husband-wife who have this daughter who has Asperger's syndrome, and she's 14-year-old, but she requires constant attention, and they then split, the husband and wife, and he starts having an affair with the daughter's nurse. And the husband and wife are separated, but they live across from each other building, and she hears some noise and she comes to the husband's house, and there the nurse, who is his girlfriend basically, is dead and her throat is slit, and he is holding her. The actor who plays the husband is Mohammad Zishan Ayub. Do you know him? I always call him Kandha.
Got it, yes, yes.
He's another great actor.
I know Kanda.
That dialogue you cannot forget. It's from Kangana Ranaut and R. Madhavan.
Darak jaise bad raha hai aadmi.
Yes. Sanuwats Manu too. So he is the one who always helps her out. But he likes her. So when they ask him ki tum kaun ho? He says main Kanda hu. I'm like, man, iconic. So from that day I call him Kanda only. So he is the guy. His wife/ex-wife is Surveen Chawla. Actress who plays the nurse is Asha Negi. I haven't seen
She's
any
a
of her work.
TV serial actress on Z and all. She used to date big TV couples. A lot got married. So they didn't get married. They were together for a long time and then they broke up, and all their fans were very heavily invested in.
Okay. So she is the one, and then of course Pankaj Tripathi is there, and the prosecutor who is fighting against. There are 2. So one of them is Meeta Vashisht, and the other one also we know, Shweta Basu, who is from Makdi, the kid.
Okay, so
Yeah.
the lawyers also changed. So only Pankaj Tripathi is. So I'll tell you, I watched a season where it was Pankaj Tripathi,
Kirti Kulhari, yeah.
from 4 More Shots.
Pink also.
Oh, she's in
With
Pink
Amitabh
also.
Bachchan.
Okay.
Yeah.
I watched that season, and there the lawyer.
Oh, I know who you're talking about. Anupriya Goenka.
Yeah. So I thought the lawyer set remains the same, but apparently not.
It was a good show. If you like suspense, but also court drama, it was a nice show to watch.
Usually they start out like this, right? There is a murder and there is a very obvious person who's done it, and that person is jailed, but then they try to prove the innocence, and it's always something which didn't strike somebody or which was hidden. Considering it's season 4, do you think the quality has stayed the same, or did it get predictable, or did they drag it? What was your assessment of season 4?
It was actually pretty good. They have kept it pretty consistent. I think there were like 8 episodes. Actually, even in the first episode, I was like, I think it's this one. But it still keeps you confused. Like, it's not that obvious. I think till the last episode, you are like, no, something is but
Yeah,
I don't
but
want to give
not
too much away. But
100%. Yeah.
yeah, aisa.
Okay.
So it was
So
it's
you
good. It
couldn't
kept me engaged.
you couldn't guess who did it, or it was one of your shortlisted people, but that doesn't count. You have to take a stand around the 6th episode that
Ha.
this person has done it. So if you had taken that stand in the 6th episode, did it turn out to be that person?
So I'll tell you this. I was right about one part. I was not right about the other. If I tell you more, I'll be giving it
No,
away.
no. Huh.
But it's a good show and everybody has acted well. Surveen Chawla has acted really well. Surveen Chawla, I haven't watched enough of her shows anyway. She was there in Sacred Games and she's done a good job, but it was a very small role. But this one, Surveen Chawla has acted very well. Pankaj Tripathi, yes. It's a shout out I have to give. One of my favorite characters in Criminal Justice is Pankaj Tripathi's wife. She is so sweet, that character. The only thing is, the relationship between the two, it doesn't look as natural of a husband-wife relation. I think part of it is because I don't know if Pankaj Tripathi is just, the kind of like husband romantic kind of comfortable playing something. I don't know. But that girl is, I think, much younger in real life also.
Okay.
So maybe some kind of awkwardness, but her character is very likable. And the name of the actress is Khushbu Atre. And I just found her very likable. And so I wanted to give her a shout out.
Nice. So you're recommending
Yes.
Criminal Justice all seasons. So if you're looking for a crime thriller, courtroom drama, mystery,
Yes.
this is a good series to watch.
Towards the later episodes, it was binge worthy, this one. So I would say, yeah, you definitely need to watch this.
All right.
All
So
right.
thanks for that recommendation.
So if you like this video, watch our other videos too. And also don't forget to like, share, and subscribe over coffee or wine. Bye.
Bye.